In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp button on your WordPress website without using any plugins. This process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to connect with your website visitors directly on WhatsApp, enhancing your customer service and improving communication. Let's start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. This is your website's control center, where you can customize settings, manage content, and much more. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Appearance section on the left-hand sidebar, then click on Editor. You might see a warning message here, especially if this is your first time accessing the file editor, but don't worry. Just proceed with caution and make sure to back up your site beforehand if you're not comfortable with editing code. In the theme editor, you'll see a variety of files on the right side. We're specifically looking for header.php or potentially footer.php, depending on where you wish the button to be placed. For our example, let's use the header so that your visitors will have access to the WhatsApp button no matter which page of your site they're on. Open the header.php file, and you'll notice the coding structure of your site's header. Once the file is open, we need to locate where we wish to insert our WhatsApp button. The best place is usually towards the end of the header section to ensure it displays correctly. Now, paste the following code snippet precisely at this location: HTML a ref https wa.me your number style text decoration none color inherit div style position fixed bottom 15px right 15px background color 25d366 color white border radius 50 padding 10px 15px img src https web.whatsapp com img favicon 1x favicon.png alt WhatsApp style width 20px vertical align middle chat with us diva to ensure it works properly. Replace your number with your actual WhatsApp number. Important here is to start your number with the country code but omit any leading zeros, brackets, or dashes. For example, if you're in the US and your number is 123-456-7890, you would insert 1123-456-7890. After pasting the code, make sure to click Update File to save your changes. Congratulations! You've added a WhatsApp chat button to your site. Now, let's just ensure everything is functionally sound. Visit your website in a new tab and navigate to any page to verify that the button appears where you placed it, typically as a small rounded icon in the bottom corner, easily identifiable with the WhatsApp logo. Click on it to test. It should redirect you or your visitors straight to a WhatsApp chat with you. And there you have it. A simple, plugin-free way to embed a functional WhatsApp button on your WordPress site. This method keeps your plugins light and boosts direct communication with your visitors. Thanks for watching, and happy web developing!